Hi, I'm Jeff Lewin with Blizzard Ski and Snowboard School. And whether you're new to Blizzard or new to skiing and snowboarding, we have a lot of activities our first day out that are going to get you up and running as fast as possible. For rookies or people who are new to skiing and snowboarding in general, we've got stations set up to get you checked out. Our first priority is, of course, to make sure you're going to have a safe day on the hill.
We're trying on our skis and basically teaching the kids about how to put them on safely, as well as what the different pieces and parts of the ski is.
Really nice. So that'll hold your ski.
We're here at rookie station number 2, and we want to make sure the kids know how to get up when they fall, because falling is part of skiing.
Yeah, there you go. Oh.
So I have never evers, first time snowboarders, first day and for all 3 kids today. Just getting a feel of the board and maybe even learn which foot would be the lead foot coming down the hill.
Now we're doing our first turns on the slope. So we're just stepping through some turns. We've done one around to the left. And now that everybody's getting this done, we're gonna make our first turn around to the right.
We're teaching how to get on the rope tow safely, because you often start on the beginner hills to learn how to ski, and you have to get up the hill safely without getting hurt.
Hi, I'm Dustin. I'm Station 4. This is the last and final station of the day of all of our Never Ever kids, and we make sure that they can review what they've already done and turn that into a controlled run all the way down. They can watch their speed and stop at the bottom, and after that they are graduated off to the chairlift and more instruction.
So the first day we got a lot of new kids out. So this is our safety check area. We have them come out here and see what they can do. So it's really important to make sure the kids get in the right group. So this is the afternoon. Kids have been skiing or boarding all morning, and we're going to try to give them into their color assignment.
Well, I hope that gives you an idea what to expect on your first day at Blizzard. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the slopes.